In this course, we're going to be using Microsoft Excel to do various statistical analyses. And this is going to require that we install the Analysis ToolPak in Microsoft Excel. I'm going to show you how to do this installation in Excel for Mac. First, I'm going to create a blank workbook on my Mac. Right now, we're looking at the Home tab in the ribbon. And if you look to the far right edge, you can see Analyze Data. This is not the add-in that you are looking for. Instead, I want you to go to the Data tab on the ribbon. Again, on the right edge of this ribbon, you see Analysis Tools. This is the add-in that you're looking for. Click. Among the available add-ins, you will see the Analysis ToolPak. Click OK. Let's make sure that our Analysis ToolPak has been correctly installed. We're still looking at the Data tab. Now, under the Analysis Tools, we see the add-in Data Analysis. And this is how we're going to access the analysis tools that are installed with Microsoft Excel. Once you've completed this step, you can close Excel, and you are now ready to learn statistics using the Microsoft Excel Analysis ToolPak.